Hello everyone. Today I would like to introduce a very simple and easy way to integrate airgun. It's too easy, so it is almost assembling things out of commodity devices and script parts, but it's very powerful and easy to use. Basic idea is to integrate the power of a nail gun and the function of dust blower that has been introduced and in the market and very cheap, but also has many functionality in it, like a trigger and the connection to the hose like this. Okay. A similar idea has been introduced several years ago, but I am focusing more on easy of use and the gun looks like gun-like features. Okay. To make air gun, here is what you need. At first, air dust blower, okay, like this, and I bought it in $2 in USD. Yeah, and this connects like this one, but what I need is the main part itself. Okay, and stainless steel pipe of 9mm out dire. It's like this. Okay. And this one is also I scraped from something like this. Okay, do you know what it is? It is a laundry drying hanger that was broken. Okay, and this one I happen to have the 9mm stainless pipes that I want. So it is almost it's free of charge. And other things are, here it is a covering, a kind of covering, protecting the pipes. Looks like this. And where did I get it? This one is from something like this. Is plant supporting pole that is used to sustain the plants growing up like that. So it comes with this one is also very cheap in price, and there is a many type of that. The one that I use is that I bought it and I use it for several years, and this one comes with the cover with the PVC cover on it, so it is a little bit easy and a nice feeling on the handling things than just the metal itself. Okay. And you need a lot of screws like this. This is come in handy like that. And this one is for the metal. This one is for, okay, this is for the wood. And all the head size shall be, less than 8. 7.4, okay, as you see, and flat head. This one I will use as the bullet, not a screw. So this is what you need, and other things are some tapes like this, electric insulation tapes or other duct tapes or whatever, and just a small part of fixing something. And of course, you need air supply. So mine is factory set to 100 psi. Okay, this is what you need, and you are ready to make a. Okay, now let's see how it can be assembled. It is not actually the making something; it is just assembling things. First, like this, and you can slip in the pipes. Okay, push it because it is 9 millimeter in and out here, so it is very strongly integrated and clipped like that. And one other thing is that you have to do is to try to have some protection over the barrel itself. Okay, the pipe becomes barrel, and this pole becomes protection cover for as a gun. Now this is ready, and if you connect the air hose, ta-da! This is the air gun that I tried to introduce. It's the basic things of that. How to load? Yeah, just simply use a bunch of screws like that, and try to shoot. Okay. Can you see that? Again. Shoot. Yeah, clear cut. And like that. Next, fire. This is kind of nail gun, a little bit distant with the blower, like that. Okay? Yeah. So, this is the basic part of it. Very easy to integrate and yet powerful. So, you can shoot anything anytime. And this one is also the basic, the functionality is broke something. You can clean it up. And as you can hear, the air pump, you do not have to push or pumping the air. It will automatically set to needed the pressure by the machine that is working right now. Okay? And what you have to do is just load and shoot. And load and shoot. How about this? Okay. If you feel that this air gun is too simple for you, like a sophisticated techie like you, then you can make some adjustment or upgrade something out of this basic form. The first one you can do is upgrading something to put in, like this. This is the steel joining one, like that, about 32 millimeter long. And here comes the tape. If you just wrap it up, because the unlapped ones will hang around a little bit randomly inside the pipes, so you better have a little bit supporting structure with the screw. Then can make it easily with the tapes like this. Frankly, I tried to cover up something in here, and with the plug-in that could be made out of wood or plastic or something, but it has a problem that you have to have a exact center out of the plug, or it will be distorted. So this one is easiest and the best way to do that, because with this way you can have the even surface out of it. Anyway, this will prevent something like that, as if usually this one goes inside the pipe, it will stay in this way. But if you wrap around, it is easier a little bit to have a straight forward the facing of the bullet. So now screw becomes the bullet. How about that? This is other ones that I have made. Okay. And as I told you, you can also use something like this for wood, because this one has a more sharp edge. Smaller ones, if you like it. Okay. And wrap around with the tapes, and you can make very easily a lot of bullet instead of the simple screw. And how to use it? Same. This one goes right in it, and you can shoot. This one has the effect on a little bit longer distance. Okay. Another upgrade is longer barrel, because it is the air comes not in a burst mode, but it can be you can push it a little bit longer, meaning that you can push the bullet further and in a longer time. So if you have a longer barrel, then you will have more power and accuracy also. Okay, so the last thing that I can do was the come up was something like this. Here, long barrel rifle, like a gun. Now it looks like more like a gun. Okay, do you agree with that? Yeah. So the barrel itself is almost 1 meter long, and I cut the tips like this and stack it up and put the fix and something in it to make a aiming point for the higher and lower, long distance and short distance, like that. And this one I will explain it later, but to have more stable holding, you better have a holder like this. Yeah. I don't just want to explain it further, because there are many people introduce how to make it out of 2x4, like that. Mine is also the same. Okay, so you put it like this. There. You can outline it and make the body of the gun any way you like it. Of course, so you have to have some cuts and the polish, and like that. And this set like this one is meaning that there is an angle in here for resting place like this, and you have to make some hole according to this angle, and the nozzle shall be out here to support. I made some supporting grab hole here and here to support it, and just simply use a steel band for the pipes like that to hold it through. Okay, this is the final image of the guns that I've made. The rifle that I made. Okay. And let's see how it works. Okay. Okay, there's my target. It looks a little bit shabby, but I believe that it will do what it's supposed to do. Actual target is the lower one. It's a steel plate. I made a circle with yellow and red. Distance is about 13 meters. And I'll try to test what it happens when this air rifle is fired. Okay, loading, as I told you, simple. Just slide it down, then aim and shoot. You can hear the sound. Okay, then again, aim and shoot. Now for the modified the bullet. Okay, a bit louder, don't you think? And also you can use plastic balls like this. Okay. closer look at the target. Just on one or two, hit it right there, and a bunch of the bullet itself is just bounced back, and there's a lot of screws here and there, like that, and also the plastic that has fallen from it, and this is how it works.